In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into multiple accounts on Telegram on iPhone. If you want to log into multiple accounts using your Telegram app, let's say you have more than 3 or 4 accounts and you want to use only one Telegram app to access all those accounts, here's how to do that. Open your Telegram app and navigate to your settings. By default, you're not going to get this option right here. You're not going to get this option that says add account. You have to go to edit at the top right corner. Scroll down and you're going to see where it says add another account. Click on it. And here you can now add the account you want. Continue, put your password and it's going to enter. When you have done that, you can now switch between 2 of them. So that's how you add additional accounts on your Telegram app. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.